Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Gooten, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin logging into Gooten, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL www.gooten.com. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to navigate to the Gooten homepage. Once the page has fully loaded, look for the Login button, typically located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Login button to proceed. You will be directed to a new page asking for your credentials. Enter your email address in the designated field. Next, type in your password in the corresponding field. Make sure that your password is entered correctly, as it is case sensitive. If you wish to stay logged in on this device, check the Remember Me box. After entering your credentials, click on the Login button. If your information is correct, you will be logged into your Gooten account. In case you encounter issues, check for any typos in your email and password. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link below the login fields. Follow the prompts to reset your password through your email. Once logged in, you can access your Gooten dashboard and start managing your projects. Congratulations, you are now ready to use Gooten. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.